Congratulations on your interest in the Elevate Entrepreneurs STEAM Team Bootcamp workshop. Elevate, as in everyday lessons, encouraging values and aspirations towards economic self-sufficiency. STEAM, as in strategic thinking, enabling authentic monetization. If you can feel that there's a burning desire within you for greater contribution through the expression of entrepreneurism, and whether you are at the beginning stages or the advanced stages of entrepreneurism, there is something very special and valuable in this workshop for you. This workshop is customly designed and created to open up the pathways of divine consciousness so that you can experience yourself more fully and more openly to life, so that you can allow the deeper states of mind and higher dimensional creativity flow, so that you can be in the knowing, so that you can stay encouraged and motivated and continue to propel forward and grow and express yourself not only as an entrepreneur, but as a more integrated entrepreneur with a sense of spirituality, a sense of purpose, a sense of deeper expressions of a holistic and multidimensional being. So if this resonates with you and if this feels right for you, then it's time for you to take the next step. Go ahead and register starting with Module 1 so that you can begin experiencing yourself in a more beautifully, divinely, and unfolding way, so that you can be of greater service, so that you can create that economic self-sufficiency, so that you can make money just being yourself, so that you can experience a more fuller life, so that other persons can also experience you as a blessing in theirs. It's time for you to dig deeper. It's time for you to start flourishing. It's time for you to take it supersonic. It's time for you to start getting excited and invigorated. So even though you may not know all the next steps, it is perfectly aligned for you to be here, right here in the now. And as we continue to go forward, projecting forward into higher conscious awakening and evolution, it is time for us to be reconnected in our divine purposes, and for us to continue to support each other as a human family and do what we came here to do: contribute greatly, love deeply, and invest in our own personal development and our own personal growth. So as you open up the pathways of consciousness through your willingness to become a better version of yourself, it's time for us to collectively come together and do it all with purpose, based on our individual purpose. So go ahead, get registered for Module 1, and we will see you on the other side.